And hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about SVGs, how they work, what they are, and how to import images that are SVG. Now SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. SVG is one of the two main methods used to draw things in HTML. It has several things you can draw with it. These things include paths, which are lines, boxes, which are squares, circles, text, and graphic images. Today we'll just be focusing on the graphic images for the most part. Also, a good thing to know is SVGs are not pixel based, which means you can zoom in as much as you want and you will never, and I mean never, lose quality. Now let's start talking about images. Now, SVG images are almost like normal images, but on the other hand, they are not. For one, they do not lose quality, and second, you can use them for things like social media icons and stuff like that. Here you can see I have an image called youtube.svg. Now let's quickly add this to our webpage. You just put it in a normal image element and you're good to go. Always remember to put the extension after the name, youtube.svg. Now this is how the SVG looks. Looks just like an image, right? But when you zoom in, you can see that the quality only stays the same. It doesn't decrease at all. Now this SVG was made by this person right here. The link to the site will be in the description, so you can find your own SVG images. Now, this site you can use to find a bunch of different images and add them to your web page. So let's find a Twitter image, like the Twitter icon. And also something to remember while you're on this page is you should credit the people who made the SVG images. It's just fair, you know. Even if you download them and then use them on a web page, please still credit their creators. Now there are a variety of images to choose, colored or not colored, it's up to you, but we will just be choosing a normal image. Now take notice of this pop-up box right here. As I said, please credit him. This is the guy who created the Twitter SVG. Now back to coding the web page. Now we have just downloaded the image, so let's just add it to our folder where all our other things are at, and then we can add it to the web page. Now we can just copy the image element we have right here and then paste it right underneath it, and voila, there's the SVG. Now this is all actually to this. The images are basically just normal images that has a high quality to it. Next time we'll be working with circles, drawing them, seeing how the SVG paths work. We'll see if we can actually cover a whole section in one video. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.